Hi friends, this is Nagesha. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to hide desktop items using registry editor in Windows 7. Open run command by pressing Windows R keys on your keyboard and please type regedit to open the registry editor. In the registry editor, expand HKey current user and expand software, expand Microsoft, scroll down, expand Windows, expand current version, expand policies, and please select Explorer. In the right panel, we need to create a key. Right click and please select new DIVA 32-bit value key and please name it as no desktop. Normally the default value is 0. To hide the desktop items, double click on no desktop and please change the value to 1. OK. Close the registry editor. We need to log off the system. Log in back with the same user. We successfully hide desktop items including recycle bin. Note that when we enable the setting, we cannot right click on the desktop to get a context menu. To access the desktop items, come to Start, open Computer. Here please type percentage user profile. Enter. Here we will get desktop. Open it to browse your files on the desktop. Again, to enable the desktop items, open run command and open registry editor. Double click on the key that we have created and change the value to 0. OK. Close the registry editor. Again, log off your system. Log in back. We will get back all the desktop items. Like this, we can hide the desktop items using registry editor in Windows 7. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.